Alright, so I'm back with an update on my PowerHome system. Today is, Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Friday, February 11th. By the way, you have a $5 credit for Kindle purchases using your Echo device. Would you like to learn more?
No. Okay.
No problem. To learn more, go to amazon.com/Kindle deal.
Alright. So, my install was October 20th something. And so I had a few issues with my racks, my panels where they mounted at, as well as getting my designs. Full disclosure, I did not know PowerHome had seen my previous video that I posted on YouTube. I only found that out after they had completed the work and fixed the issues. And then they said the manager requested if I could update my YouTube videos. So I'm not a shiesty kind of person. They did the work and repaired it, so that's where we are now. So they scheduled the install, not the install, but the repair on the 28th, not the 28th, but February 8th, I'm sorry. They texted me saying they were coming out and everything. They did come out, but they didn't come out on time. My appointment was from 8 to 11. At like 10:30, I texted this lady that I had been talking to. I was like, people said they're gonna be here, they're not here. So probably 5 minutes after that, they did text me with a new time, which was like 3 hours later, and they did show up on time then. So I'll take you around, show you what they did come out and do. So I stated I had an issue with this pole here. I didn't really specify that as needing to be something that they repaired when they came out. I can deal with that. The trench here. So you can see I still don't have anything here, but you know, it's February and I can understand, all right, grass is not growing right now, so it really don't make too much sense to put that out. I do lawn service, so I'll fix that when it gets the grass growing. They did come out and put some stuff here, kind of fill in this hole where the trench was dug at. They also did come out and work on my ground mount system. They had 2 techs come out in the van. They came out with a ladder and everything, like a 20-foot ladder on the van. But, you know, it takes a little work to take the ladder off the van and bring it out here and all that. So instead of using the ladder to go on my ground mount system, they just basically climbed across, walked across all the panels. So they did cut. I cut this one myself because I couldn't wait. I didn't want to put my children at risk waiting on a company. So I cut this first one, which was head height. That's why you can see it's already rested. But they did come out and cut the other 3 here. So they cut those 3. Like I said, and then they came by and stepped up here. It was, you know, you can just literally walk on the panels here. So we walked on the panels and they didn't cut that one, which is not, it's all right. But they cut this one and they cut those 3. So you can see it's cut up now, but he went across, walked across and cut those. Of course, I got a camera right here. That way I can watch my system, because the system is so low on the ground, just for insurance purposes or knowing what's going on with the panels. I keep a camera on that way I can see those. But they did cut it, so good thing. Also, my designs, like I said, I had two systems, two sets of arrays initially. I wasn't okay with that. I finally got designs. So the lady sent me some designs via email, which look like they match. So all that's good. The last thing is I tried to contact PowerHome directly, and I was having some issues there, but I did file a BBB complaint. We went back and forth discussing what needs to be done. PowerHome called me. It was a totally different department from the regular customer service. And basically that's how I felt I was able to get a better job done and maybe more quicker as far as getting the things fixed that I had done. I was talking about my panel here. Like I said, they had to cut the wall up here to run their wires. Not a big deal. I haven't painted the garage in 10 years, so I can deal with that too. But the system is working fine, which I never had an issue with the equipment not functioning correctly. So that's good. The only issue I had was with the installation of the equipment. So now, I want to say thank you. I guess I'm all good.